Hi, in this video, we'll be doing a quick overview of the Data Miner pop-up. The Data Miner pop-up is the first window you see when opening Data Miner from the Chrome toolbar. The majority of what you see in this pop-up is a list of different recipes. If this is your first Data Miner video, a recipe is just simply a list of instructions the tool uses to read a page and know what to scrape. This first list of recipes is public recipes. These are recipes created by our users and made available for everyone to use. Public recipes are also filtered by the page you're on, meaning you will not see recipes for different websites and different pages that aren't designed for this page. So this does mean that a sandbox recipe, which we're on the sandbox page right now, a sandbox recipe will not work on any other website, and vice versa for whatever site you might be working with. The next tab is My Recipes. These are recipes created by you that are built using Recipe Creator and then saved so then you can run them on different websites. And then we have the pinned recipes, which are recipes from your My Recipe list that you've pinned just to make them a little bit more easier to access. In terms of running a recipe, you have a few options. The first icon here is kind of like a fast forward button, and that allows you to scrape the data and run the recipe while never leaving this pop-up. So if I click the button now, we captured the information from this page immediately, and now it's stored in Data Miner, and you can see the data accumulate here by the 4 rows that's been added. I can also click to a new page. Once again, open up Data Miner and go to that same recipe and click it again to capture the data from this page. And you can always click on this number of rows to view the actual data. So this is what was just scraped a second ago. You also have the option to, again, open up the pop-up, go to a recipe, and click the single run button or the single play button. This is what will actually open up Data Miner, the main window, and show you a preview of that data that could be scraped. So as you can see, we now have it here. You can preview the data, or you can also pick a different recipe if you'd like. And then finally, once again, from opening up the pop-up and going to a recipe, there is a little pencil icon in the middle. This will actually allow you to open up this recipe in Recipe Creator so then you can edit it and do any sort of modifications you would like. And then we have one other thing I want to cover. So we have the Scrape This Page button, and this will just take you to our main Data Miner window. If you're not quite sure where to start, we recommend clicking this button first. And then you'll see some information on how to get started here. There are a few more things at the top I guess it's good to be aware of. The first icon is going to be a link that takes you to your data. So if you were to scrape anything from while using Data Miner, you'll find your data here. There's a little pencil icon which will take you straight to Recipe Creator to make a new recipe. We also have our privacy policy available here, and then the little icon for the person. This takes you to your account settings. And then of course you can see the email you're logged in with at the bottom. So that pretty much covers the pop-up. I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions, send us an email. Our email is support@dataminer.io, and thanks for watching.